right, so if you see on the left hand side on the green, right on the top there, that's when I start getting on throttle. 100% meaning full open throttle. This green area to the right is my target AFR. So as I get on the throttle, this is what it should be. And the yellow highlighted area is what I actually got. So I got a bit of a lean spike there, and that's what really caused that lag, getting off the line, trying to get basically power to the ground, and causing the overspin there once I clutch kicked and the power came back. That's part of the tuning process. So, and I'm using the Fitech to tune the car, and practically the way to use the handheld to fix this issue is to increase the Accel pump option just a tad, and that'll take care of that lean spike. But here's the rest of the run, and yep, looking forward to the next event. You do some more testing.